Hello everybody, my name is Dendrio Gasembiring, NIM 2105027. I'm student Voltech LPP. I will presentation about my argument essay in the title is soil sample. First, introduction. The definition of land is very diverse and defense of the self of skins that assess it. The definition of land based on legal experts will differ from the understanding of land according to economists, financial banking institution, and house office. Land according to legal expert is asset based on land status or ownership right to land, such as land with ownership right, which are different from land with right to use or SGQ, and use right and are very different from arable land. Land, according to economists and banking financial institution, it's understood based on the promiscuity of the land location to access and smooth access as will promiscuity to the development center. Land near roads or near development center has a bigger economic value than land located far from access or far from the center of development. This is different from the notion of land according to house views. House always remain their children not to fly with the ground and always remains chase children not to forget to wash their hand and feet when they hit the ground. The understanding of soil studied in the basic soil science source is based on agriculture science. The definition of land according to agriculture science has also developed from time to time. The changes to the definition are presented as follows. Second, definition of land. The definition of land from time to time has developed understanding. Currently, three are four definition of land which are described in more detail as follows. Definition of soil based on the geological approach. Geologists at the end of the century definite soil as layer of the earth surface derived from rocks that have undergone ice of weathering by natural forces, thus forming a regolith which is a layer of fine particles. Definition of soil-based and phrenological approach. Phrenologists names Dokuves define soil as solid material or mineral material or organic matter located on the surface which has been and is continuously undergoing chest-wide switch. Influenced by factor 1, parent material, 2, climate, 3, organisms, 4, topography, and 5, time. Definition of soil based on a pedagogical approach. An edaphologist from England named Dr. Hay L. Jones defines soil as medium for growing plants. Definition of soil based on current soil science approach. In a doctor of soil scans from Indonesia named Hanifah define soil more hensively that soil is a layer of the earth surface that physically functions as a place for growth and development of root that support plant growth and supply water and energy. Chemically function as a nutrient warehouse and source of nutrient supply nutrients or including organic and inorganic compounds and essential elements such as N, V, K, S, and G, C, Zn, V, M, NB, and C, and biologically function and as habitat for biota or organisms that actively participate in the supply of these nutrients and additives or growth promoters protection. For plants, all three of which are integrally capable of supporting soil productivity to produce biomass and production of both food, crop, and medicinal plants, medicine, plantations industry, and forestry. Third, soil function. The 5 main functions of soil are 1. A place for plants to grow and develop. 2. A provider of primary plant needs or water, air, and nutrients. 3. A provider of secondary plant needs or growth promoting substance, hormones, vitamin, organic acids, antibiotics, and antiphestocins, and enzymes that can increase nutrients availability and nutrients scarce, and 4. As a habitat for soil biodata, both of which have positive impact because they are directly or indirectly involved in providing primary and secondary needs, secondary plants as well. Those that have a negative impact because they are plants phase and disease. 5. Location for the introduction of various infrastructure such as house, office, supermarkets, roads, terminal, station, and airports. The integration of the five main function of soil is presented in figure 1 below. Figure 1, the five main function of soil are fully integrated. Two important understanding of soil. The two main understanding that's underlie the notion of soil based on agriculture skin are 1. Land as a place to grow and provider of land. 2. Soil function as land factor on fresh and disease as well as the negative impacts of pesticides and industry waste. Soil profile. Soil profile is the vertical slice of soil from the top layer to the soil parent crop. The profile of a highly developed soil usually has the following horizons. Solum consists of topsoil induclates subsoils. Description of litter orphan debris oil and soils organic matter or both from litter decomposition. A. The minimal mineral horizon has a height both to that slightly dark color. E. Elevated mineral horizon west so that the levels or both silicates, clay, VNL allow both quartz, sands, and this seismic and other resin mineral. Tall-like colored V. Alluvial horizon or spot horizon accumulation of lesser material from horizon about it, accumulation of alluvial material. C. Layer host condition material are still the same as the parent material or have not changed. Soil parent material. Uses of soil profile. 1. To determine the depth of T-Rex layer, topsoil, and soil solum. 2. Completeness of differentiation of horizon in profile. 3. Soil color. Soil component. 4. Component that make up soils solid in the form of mineral materials. 3. Solid material in the form of organic material. 4. Water. 5. The average soil material is solid, mineral water, and organic matter, water, and air.